Draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variable. So the equation is x plus y is equal to 4. 1x plus 1y is equal to 4. So we should begin by finding three solutions. That is three x and y values which will make LHS is equal to RHS. So we can start off with assuming let x be equal to 1. So what happens? If I substitute x is equal to 1, what will happen over here? So we'll have 1 plus 1y is equal to 4. So what is the corresponding value of y? To find that, we will subtract 1 both the sides. So y is equal to 3. So we have for x to be 1, y should be 3. So 1 and 3 are your solution. Next, substitute say x is equal to 0. So 0 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4. Then we need to substitute say y is equal to 0. Again, whatever is convenient, we should do that. So 1x plus 1 into 0 is equal to 4. So obviously anything plus 0 is the same thing. So we have x is equal to 4. Minimum is 3 values. Maximum is how much ever you can. But yes, don't cross more than 5. It's of no use. And then you should make a small tabulated column. So for a value of some error. Yeah, coming back. So for a value of x, when it's 1, we have y to be 3. If x is 0, y is 4. If y is 0, x is 4. So these are your three values. So once you have this value, next is the graph part. So let me open the graph. So we have here, okay, I'll take this. So that's your x and y, right? So this is your x and this is x dash, not visible, x and x dash, and y dash, and 0. Actually, you should look at the values first. So we have 1 and 3, 0 and 4, 4 and 0. Since the values are very small, so we need not think too much. We can just draw the graph. If not, we need to discuss about where the origin should be, how, because the sheet size is confined. It's not infinitely big. So we need to figure out how to make best use of the space. Since the values are quite simple, it's just maximum value for x is 4 and y is 3. So this is pretty much it. So just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And over here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're done. So we have 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Then 0 and 4, 0 and 4. Sorry, this is 4 and 0, this is 0 and 4. 3 values, right? After this, all we have to do is join this. Okay, actually you should extend it both the side, something like this. And write the coordinates. This is 0, 4. This is 1, 3. This is 4, 0. And the equation is x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, and you're done. If they insist on writing scale is nothing but for each unit over here, each centimeter over here, how much are we considering? That is, I'll show it to you. X-axis for every 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Right? So each of this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, it's incremented by a value of 1. Along the x-axis, you have 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit again. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is your scale. So this is the minimal in a graph. And you are done. Right? If you want to confirm it, you can do so in your Python coding. So first thing is we need to write it in standard form. So let me go back to black screen. So small note, writing it in the form of ax plus by plus c. So 1x plus 1y minus 4 is equal to 0. Ax plus by. So this is minus 4 for c. So we have that in ax plus by plus c. Now you have to enter coefficient of x, that is 1. Y is also 1. And the constant is minus 4. And we have the graph. We can see it's a similar graph. 0, 2, 4, 6. They have each unit here is 2's. For us, each unit was 1. Okay, that's the difference. And we can see this is going down. It's going down, passing 0, 4, 0, 4. And okay, sorry, this is 4, 0 and this is 0, 4. 4, 0 and this is 0, 4. Okay, so yes, it's the same thing. And the relationship is negative. Right? If x is increasing, y is decreasing. So the relationship is negative. Right? So this is your answer.